Everyone, let's continue. One of the important aspect of this project that is coding, how we have to code. So I'm using the old file that I had already created in my previous video, that is interview, right? A moment we had opened, this one is the previous video. Now you can see content of this each and every response. We had already understand how we have to upload all the attributes. So this is my respondent number one file. Then further we will go to respondent number two, respondent number three, and so on, right? So what we have to do now, we will start doing coding, right? So we will press here coding, right? So let's say this one is the, first of all, we will open first case one by one. We will start. So R1. R1 is now we will read each and every line. So now we will start doing coding. So I had created just a one code, let's say efficiency. We are talking about efficiency. Means our question was, is artificial intelligence is good or bad? So this one is the respondent has written, AI helps to improve efficiency and productivity. AI automates repetitive tasks, enable faster and more accurate operations in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and finance, etc. So what we will do, we had just created our one coding. We are talking about efficiency. So moment, how we have to create a code, new code, you have to just click here, create a code. So I had typed here efficiency, then press OK. A moment it would be right. So we cannot leave empty. So this code we have created. Now I want to, this one is the, we want to code this statement. So what we will do, we will select this line and we will drag and drop. Now I have dropped in this. A moment I had dropped this, you can see file 1 and references 1. What is the meaning of this file 1 and references 1? File 1 means I am using one single file, right? One single file means R1 file I'm using and references 1. From one this file, R1 respondent file, I'm using this one is the reference. Let's say I want to add on one more line, right? In the same category, efficiency. So let me take line by line, you have to drag and drop. This is the correct way to do coding. So let's say I'm using this one is the line to reduce human errors. So artificial intelligence provide numerous benefits such as reducing human errors, time saving capabilities, right? To efficiency, it's also talking about efficiency. So I will drag and drop in the same. So now you can see this number has changed. File is one means I'm using R1 file, respondent one file, but references are two. From this one single file, I have taken two references in the efficiency coding, right? Further is we will go to now disadvantages and all these things. We can create another one code also. So here is, however, the disadvantages include emotional intelligence, encouraging human laziness, and job displacement. So let's say I'm talking about one new code I'm creating, that is job displacement. Job displacement, right? So job displacement, and I had created because num we will find out how many people. So this one is the new code has created. So what we will do, the disadvantages include is emotional intelligence and encourages human laziness and job displacement. So I am just dragging and drop this in the job displacement. So now you can see file 1 and references 1. Further, it is talking about some of the hottest applications of the AI include the development of autonomous vehicle, facial recognition software, virtual assistants like Amazon, right? This one is the Siri, and a huge array of the industrial applications in all industries, from farming to gaming to healthcare, right? So let's say this one is the, we can create a one more code here, industry use, right? So let's say, or that is the application in the healthcare. Let's say I will take a one new code, that is, I'm talking about healthcare. This one is healthcare, right? So this one is the code we had created. Now what I have to do, this one is the industrial application industry from farming to healthcare. So this one is the huge array of industrial application. I will drag and drop. This one is the healthcare. Now you can see one. So let me, because I have done coding for this R1 file, so let me close this. Now this is my R2 file. How you have to open, because this is already open. Let me close first all these files. Now you would understand how we can open. This one is the next case. Cases. Now I am going to click here R2, and this is the R2. This case is open. Now you could be able to see name is Raghav, education PG, age 24, university status State University, monthly income 80,000 to 10,000, and artificial intelligence is good or bad. And this respondent is saying AI helps to improve healthcare innovations. AI assists are diagnosing disease, personalizing treatments, and accelerating drug discovery. So let me go back on the in the quotes, right? So this one is this line. It is talking about basically healthcare innovation, right? So let me drag and drop here. So R2 is also, now you can see moment I had opened this second file and file number it is increased. This one is the earlier it was 1 and now it's 2 because I'm using second file. But from the second file, this is the second reference. Let's say I would like to enter, this one is the AI assess the diagnostic diseases and personalizing treatment. And that is also I'm dragging and dropping. So now you can see two files, but three references, right? Two file, three references. You could understand two references we have taken from the same file, and previous one, the reference we had taken from R1 file. So let me close this. This file is complete. Next, we will go to next case. This is the R3. Let me open this R3. And in this case, now you could see R3 and what we have to do in the R3, what we will do, these are the codes, right? And here is R3 is AI helps to improve personalized experience. AI powers recommendation system on platforms like Netflix and Amazon and improving user experience. So that means this respondent is talking about this is very helpful AI, and in fact it is improving personalized experiences. So AI powers the recommendation system on platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and improving user experience, right? So there is the any improvement because after AI, there is the it would be a personalized experience, or we can say we will talk about that is user friendly or user experience. So we can give the one more code that is user friendly, right? And user friendly, that is the, we would press OK. And now this one is the AI helps, AI powers recommendation system and the user experience. So let me drag and drop here, user friendly. And this line also, AI helps in personalized experiences. So that would also, we will drop it here. So now it is 1 1 because there is no gap in between both these statements. That is why it's showing file 1 and references is also 1. So let me go back, and R3 we are going to close this, and further we will go to next case, and next case is R4. Quickly we have to finish all those things, then we will go to visualization, etc. And further it is, we will go there, and finally we could say now next we will open the codes. AI helps to improve scientific advancement, and AI aids in research by analyzing massive database and providing insights for complex problems like climate change it's talking about. So that means efficiency is there. So let me just drag and drop this in the efficiency folder. And this is the efficiency coding. You can see now the two files here, and there are the three references. I don't think so. It has gone there. It was, I think, gone to this one is the, it is in the efficiency, right? Right. So this is the coded, and AI helps to improve scientific advancement, right? Scientific advancement because we can create, if we want to create another code, we can create. So I don't think so. The scientific advancement and all these things, I don't want to create. So in the similar manner, you have to create all the codes, right? One more case we can take into consideration, R5, and let's say R5. I'm opening this. So artificial intelligence, AI helps to improve the safety improvements. AI technologies enhances public safety through advancement and autonomous vehicles. So let me create a one more code. Let's say we are creating one more code that is safety. Safety, right? So let me press OK. And this one is the safety AI technologies, public safety through autonomous vehicles. So I would drag and drop this safety that is in the safety. So in the you can see 1 1, right? And the AI improves safety improvements. If we would like to drop it here, so now the same thing, file 1 and the file, because that is in the continuation. So in the similar manner, I'm sure you can do it this coding. And once you will complete this coding, then we will go for the visualization, right? So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how you have to visualize all these codings. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.